this quote from an article from Scientific American magazine, an issue called Physics at the Limits. Perhaps, like Plato's prisoners, our personal circumstances have tricked us into believing the world is three-dimensional, when in fact a deeper understanding of what we perceive will come only when we look for explanations in the fourth dimension. And I'll get into that a little bit. They say, like Plato's prisoners. So what they're talking about is the cave allegory. And the way the cave allegory works is, these are the prisoners. They're stuck in this cave. They've never seen anything outside of the cave. They've only seen these shadows on the wall, and they've only faced the wall. So they think that these shadows are some type of reality. They think that these are some fundamental type of reality. They don't realize that the two-dimensional shadows are being created by these three-dimensional objects that are casting the shadows because of the fire behind them. And that brings me to what physicists are looking into recently, which is that just the same way that the shadows are created by these 3D objects, they're saying, well, hey, maybe us in 3D, maybe we are the shadow. Maybe this 3D universe and this three-dimensional situation is actually the shadow, and that it's created by a four-dimensional situation. And this particular four-dimensional situation is rendered in 2D, which is problematic. So just to give you a better idea of what that actually means or should look and feel like, this is a rendition of a four-dimensional object. So this looks like a cube, a three-dimensional cube in the center, with another three-dimensional cube outside of it. But actually this is a series of 6 cubes. It just looks distorted because we're looking at it in 2D and we're used to experiencing 3D. But just if you even imagine yourself, four-dimensionality is like experiencing this, 6, all at the same time. So imagine being able to see also behind yourself. As three-dimensional creatures, we are able to perceive and see all the points of two-dimensional surfaces. Something four-dimensional would be able to see all of the points of three-dimensional surfaces, such as ourselves. And what that might look like, if anyone has seen Limitless, is probably something like this. He goes up the stairs, we establish the space, and then we see a duplicate of himself come up the stairs as if he can see behind himself now, and then we can see the space get distorted as if he can see in 4 dimensions. I don't know if they were thinking about 4-dimensionality in this, but this is kind of what I would imagine it to look like.